Hello. Hi. Welcome. This is Read to Talk. We speak slowly. We use simple English. Today's topic is the verb to be.
Hi, Luma. Hi, everyone. The verb to be is small but strong. It is like coffee. Small cup, big power.
Haha, yes. The verb to be is am, is, are. We use it to say who we are. We use it to say what something is. We use it to say how we feel. Very useful.
And we use it to say, I am hungry. That is my favorite sentence.
Haha, okay. Let's start with something very simple. To be means to exist, occur, or have a characteristic. In English, we use three main forms. I am. He is, she is, it is. You are, we are, they are.
Am, is, are. Three little words.
Yes. Let's put them in simple sentences. I am Luma.
I am Steve.
You are listening.
We are talking.
It is English.
It is simple.
Great. First, I am. We use I am for ourselves. I am Luma. I am a teacher. I am from Brazil. I am happy.
I am Steve. I am a co-host. I am from the USA. I am sleepy.
Haha, sleepy is real. I am is easy. It can be a name, a job, a place, a feeling.
Name, I am Steve. Job, I am a co-host. Feeling, I am hungry.
Haha, good examples. Now, he is and she is. He is for a man. She is for a woman.
Like, he is Steve. She is Luma.
Exactly. Listen, he is Steve. He is funny. He is my co-host.
She is Luma. She is a teacher. She is nice.
Thank you, Steve. Now, it is. It is for a thing, or an idea, or a situation.
Like, it is coffee. It is hot. It is good.
Yes. Or, it is a podcast. It is English. It is easy.
Sometimes it is not easy. But today, it is easy.
Today it is easy. Now, you are. You can be one person or many people.
That is interesting. You is one and many.
Yes. Examples. You are a student. You are here. You are learning.
You are doing great.
Now, we are. We is me and you, or me and Steve together.
We are a team. We are co-hosts.
Yes. Now, they are. They is other people.
Like, they are my friends. They are busy. They are at home.
Perfect. Now we make questions. Questions are very common. Statement. You are happy. Question. Are you happy?
Oh, just change the order.
Yes. Very easy. Statement. He is here. Question. Is he here?
Nice.
Statement. I am late. Question. Am I late?
That is my morning question. Am I late? Am I late? Am I late?
Now, some simple questions. Are you okay?
Are you tired?
Is it cold?
Is she your friend?
Great. Now, short answers. In real life, we often answer quickly. Are you happy? You can say, yes, I am. Or, no, I'm not.
Simple, fast.
Is he here? Yes, he is. No, he isn't.
Isn't is not.
Exactly. Are they at home? Yes, they are. No, they aren't.
Aren't is are not.
Perfect.
Luma, I have a mistake story. One day I said, I is hungry.
Oh no.
Yes, I is hungry. It sounded very wrong.
Yes, we say I am hungry, not I is.
My brain was tired.
It happens. Another common mistake is she are. We say she is, and they is wrong too. We say they are.
English is like a small puzzle.
Yes, a simple puzzle. Now a small conversation. It uses to be many times, but it feels natural.
Like real life.
Hi, Steve. How are you?
Hi, Luma. I'm good. I am a little tired.
Are you busy today?
Yes, I am. But I'm okay.
Is your coffee ready?
Yes, it is. It is hot.
Great. We are ready for the podcast.
Yes, we are.
Are our listeners ready?
Yes, they are. They are here.
Haha, nice.
I like that. It is friendly.
Yes. Now, feelings. We use to be with feelings all the time. I am happy. I am sad. I am tired. I am hungry. I am nervous. I am excited.
I am hungry. I am hungry again.
Haha, Steve is always hungry.
It is true. I am a snack person.
Great. And you can ask, are you hungry? Are you tired? Now a short recap. Today we learned the verb to be. I am. He is, she is, it is. You are, we are, they are.
And we learned questions. Am I? Is it? Are you?
Yes. You can use to be to talk about name, job, place, and feelings.
I am Steve. I am a co-host. I am at home. I am hungry.
Haha, perfect ending.
Thank you. I am proud.
Great. Thanks for listening. See you next time.
Bye. Have a nice day.